Can you use Google Pay in iPhone 14 Pro? So, you mostly cannot use Google Pay or Google Wallet for contactless tap to pay on iPhone 14 Pro because of how iOS currently works. You cannot also install Google Pay on iPhone in some reasons for storing passes, tickets, viewing some cards, or doing online peer-to-peer payments. So, you may be able to use Google account linked cards for online shopping or in-app payments, but you cannot do an iPhone 14 Pro with Google Pay. You can't use it for NFC-based tap to pay in stores at terminals. Apple restricts NFC payment functions on iPhones to its own wallet system, Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. So using Google Pay as a full digital wallet plus tap to pay card replacement like on Android is not supported. Even if you install Google Pay, you won't be able to tap and pay at shops. The phone won't behave like a contactless card. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.